Hello friends, welcome to Tech Dummies. How are we all doing? Okay, this session is going to be fun because we are going to talk about how to create resume from scratch and how to tweak a resume, how to get the job you wanted, and how to apply, get details from LinkedIn, tailor your resume accordingly, and get that job you want. Okay, so today we'll talk about resume building using AI. Okay, let's get started. So I will start from scratch. I'm just gonna tell that, hi ChatGPT, build a resume for me for this role. I have copied from LinkedIn. So I have this link right here. Yes, so I have copied this link before. This current job. I'm just telling that build a resume for me for this role. My name is Tech Dummies. So this is a free version of ChatGPT I'm using. Okay, so currently it's using the latest version, ChatGPT 4.0. Okay, but after talking to ChatGPT for a bit, it defaults to the ChatGPT 3.5 or ChatGPT 4, whatever is the lower version. Okay, so I'm gonna use the uh, main features for the first 5 or 10 prompts. Okay, yes, so it knows that I'm in Melbourne, Victoria. It's giving me a prompt here, like it's giving me a format that I can use for my resume. So if you see, my name is here, Tech Dummies. I am from Melbourne, so Melbourne, Victoria. I have to put my phone number here. Email here is just a placeholder for all my details. Professional summary. So the job I gave LinkedIn, the LinkedIn profile I gave, it's for a data analyst. So if you see, it's giving me data analyst or customer success engineer. Okay, it's adding relevant professional experience as well that I can use. um, yes. Okay, so I have to change it. It has given me like some dummy data. I have to change it. But if you see, if you can just change it and put your thing. So here, this is a ATS friendly. So you can put also details like build a ATS friendly resume. ATS is basically application tracker system. So when you apply for a job, it doesn't go to a person directly. There is a firewall or application tracker system that actually takes all the resumes, sorts them, and then a few handful of resume goes to the actual recruiting person. Okay, so we are preparing a ATS friendly application here. So if you see, there is no fancy writing or no fancy fonts or anything like that, no fancy images. So I'll just copy this and paste it somewhere, and in the placeholder change your details, give your experience or whatever is there. And if you need any details, like you can follow on these, or if you need any details about any particular thing, you can just tell them that, hi ChatGPT, I have worked as this, and how do I put this experience? Okay, just put it in rough terms, rough wordings over here, and it can summarize it for you. Okay, so this is how we build it from scratch. But before I run out of the ChatGPT 4.0 credits, I want to show you something real quick. Okay, so I have this resume. So I'll attach this resume here, and I'll ask ChatGPT to tailor my resume for this specific job. Okay, now in the job, I can either put this one, or if I have the job description or anything copied from web, I can put it there as well. Okay, like these are the job description, this is the requirement, this is what they're looking for, and this is my resume. I'll upload my resume. Let's upload my resume. I had it in videos. Yes, if you see here, test resume. Yes, the test resume is here. That's for Tech Dummy, and this is the job I want to apply for. So if you want to make it more specific, tailor my resume, tailor my ATS friendly resume. So I'm just using simple prompts. You might have seen very complex prompts to give you specific set of results, but just go with the simple prompts. And if we need more, we can customize it. We can ask ChatGPT to make however you want it. Okay, but these are ATS friendly so that your application gets picked up. Okay, specific job, and use important keywords for this job. Okay, let's go. So it will first extract details in my resume. Okay, it knows that my name is Tech Dummies because that's what I have used in the resume. That's my name. So it knows that I am. So first it extracts the detail from there, and then it analyzes the job in that particular link. Then it combines them all together to prepare a beautiful resume for me. Okay. So if you see, there is this professional summary, there is this professional experience we're talking about. Yeah, so I had this experience. So it has added a few things. It has tweaked a few things because we wanted to tailor a resume and not create a resume from scratch. Okay, so I did not have these details if you see. So it had add these details in the skill section as well. So this is a ready-made, like completely ready that can be copied and pasted in the Word right away, and then you can post it. Um, yeah. So if you want any specific details, okay, make the professional summary section longer. Summary section longer. So this is what you can do. And if you see, the professional summary was like the just two, 3 lines. Now it is much longer, and it has added a few new words, a few skill sets and all that can be used for the getting picked up by ATS. So all this kind of things you can do. So if you don't like a particular section or you want to add new projects, can I get 3 industry relevant project in my resume? Yes. Okay, so these relevant projects, you can actually put it in the resume and you can try them later and you can actually talk about that. So you can take resume from here right away as well. Okay. So if you see, this makes it pretty easier. And if I say ATS friendly, that's why it has not added any fancy fonts or any images or anything like that, so that ATS can track them down and use all the right keywords like Power BI or whatever we saw in here, like customer success strategy development, because it's a LinkedIn business solution thing, excellent communication and interpretation skills, pick data from LinkedIn because we are applying for a customer success specialist. Okay, so these are the key ask in that, these skill sets are the key ask. That's why it has added on its own. If you want to remove it or add more things, so it will do that. Okay, so this is how smart ChatGPT is at the moment. So try it out, build your resume. Okay, don't waste any money, don't spend any money on building your resume on those fancy sites. So you can actually use a little bit of brain and use ChatGPT to tailor your resume, make it is friendly, and then you can apply for the job you have been wanting. Okay, so thank you so much for making it till here. Like, subscribe, and follow for more such content. Hope you have a good day. Thank you.